Just a little over a week left in the month of May, but note that May has been carrying more April-like qualities, especially when it came down to the month starting off with 3 to almost 4 inches of snowfall. But we also have been keeping with that wetter pattern and dealing with below normal temperatures, which we need the moisture in our soils. We've watched some drought conditions develop out of winter and into spring, so it's good to see that surplus there. And unfortunately, typically wet conditions do lead to cooler temperatures like we started the week off. Now, we had some improvements as we rolled into our Wednesday, but note that we are stepping into our Thursday back to some more below normal temperatures. Morning, not too bad, closer to that average after a chilly start to our Wednesday, but note that our afternoon high stays just around those mid 50s, about 15 degrees below normal. And what we're watching as we roll into our Thursday is that we'll be battling some winds and a frontal system, even high wind concerns in place, as some wind gusts up to about 60 miles per hour will be felt, especially with that quick passage of that frontal system that will take place into Friday morning, leaving us again with some of those cool morning temperatures. But the sunshine will be similar to like we saw throughout our Wednesday, where the day will start bright, maybe some afternoon cloud cover, but at least bringing some more seasonal temperatures before we have another system we are tracking Saturday and Sunday. So here as we head throughout our Thursday, we are dealing with some chances for some showers, keeping temperatures cool there within the 50s and battling those winds. We're noting that wind gust potential at least getting up to about 40 miles per hour into the Casper area, as well as noting that the wind starts southwesterly and then switches northwesterly. And with that southwesterly pull, that typically brings in more of a dry, warm potential. And we know that that wind is strongest through our wind prone areas there. Rawlins, Casper, Douglas, even stretching those 40-mile-per-hour gusts up to Whirling and Gillette. And with that pull, what we're seeing is that is feeding some dry air into the storm system that is north of us. Currently looking at that system bringing highest impacts across the Wyoming and Montana border. We'll see though as we head through the day, there is some drop in that moisture. But again, with those drier winds moving in, it does limit the potential of accumulation. As we even look at the accumulation potential, we can see nearly that cutoff right where those winds really feed into east of the divide here from areas even Rock Springs, Rawlins, Casper, Riverton, Douglas. But then where that moisture can reach the surface, some spots there, Cody, even Gillette trying to get over a 1/4 of an inch to a 1/2 an inch, Sheridan over an inch, and then Bighorn Mountains will be seeing several inches of snowfall, some potential of even those far northern Bighorns getting upwards of even 2 feet of snow. Everyone's holding to that below normal temperature trend, especially there out west. Another day of some of those snow showers to be seen across Yellowstone with that full passage of that frontal system. Generally 50s here for east of the divide. We'll make some rebounds with that sunshine on Friday, but another storm system will keep us active for the holiday weekend.